Hi students, once again I welcome you all to my channel Abrar sir classes. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು current electricity chapter ಇನ vertical symmetry in resistance circuit ಬೆಲೆ problems ನೋಡೋಣ. This is part 2. Let us see the very first problem. The effective resistance across the points A and I ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. This is high potential. This is at low potential. Right. We have to draw one vertical line of symmetry. Okay, this is perpendicular bisector to what? High potential and low potential points, right? Okay, now this is called VLS, vertical line of symmetry. Okay, now here ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, these two potentials will be same. VC will be equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, VH ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, right? Okay, and again VH will be equal to what? VF ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, whatever the points that are lying on the vertical line of symmetry, they have same potential that we have seen in the previous part of the video. Okay, now I can neglect this 2 ohm, I can neglect this 2 ohm, right? How can I write the circuit now? I can write this circuit like this. This is H, right? Okay, and again this is C. This is D. Okay, this is okay. This is one and the same. A only. Okay, and now H I can write like this. Okay, this is coming to this point, right? Okay, and again this is E. Okay, and again this is F. T to B. Okay, and this is I. This one is E. Two ohm. Now what I am doing here, I am removing these two resistances, 2 ohm and 2 ohm, and I am breaking this tension because I have same potential. This is also H and this is also H. Potential is same. Okay, this is also H. Now if I closely observe this circuit, okay, what is going to happen? This is 2 ohm and this is 2 ohm. Noಡಪ್ಪ, 2 ohm, 2 ohm, 4 ohm. Okay, 4 ohm in parallel with 4 ohm is how much? Okay, 4 ohm in parallel with 4 ohm is 2 ohm. Okay, again 4 ohm and 4 ohm. Okay, in parallel, how much? 2 ohm. What is the resistance between A and B? Okay, see, 4 ohm in parallel with 4 ohm is 2 ohm. 4 ohm is in parallel with 4 ohm is 2 ohm. 2 ohm, 2 ohm is just in 45 seconds. We can solve this sum. 1 ohm is the right answer. Okay, the equivalent resistance between A and I. Okay, I or B, whatever it may be, if they have given A and B, one and the same. Okay, understood? A and I is how much? The equivalent resistance between A and I or A and B. If I take this as some point, okay, the equivalent resistance between A and I is how much? 1 ohm. Right. Okay, let us come to the next problem. Now what he's saying, we have to find the equivalent resistance between LA, B and C. I can draw what? This is okay, plus and this is minus. Okay, high potential and this is low potential, right? Understood? Now, okay, draw what? Vertical line of symmetry. Understood? This is VLS, E point. Okay, VA will be equal to what? The potential at these points will be same. VA will be equal to VD, right? So I can remove this resistor. How can I write now? How can I write the network now or the circuit now? This is like this, okay? This is point A, okay? This is 1 ohm. This is 1 ohm, right? This is 1 ohm, 1 ohm, 1 ohm, right? C ಇದೆ, B ಇದೆ, okay? After removing this 2 ohm, this is point D, okay? 1 ohm, 1 ohm, 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 2 ohm, 1 ohm, okay? Now, see here, what is going to happen? 2, okay? 2 ohm is in parallel with 1 ohm. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಇದು 2/3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, right? Okay. Now I will write like this. Just see here. First let us simplify. Between B and C we are calculating this is B and this is C. Be careful. How many ohms? 1 ohm is here. Okay. Now what I will do, okay, this is 2 ohm, right? This is 2 ohm. Okay, this is 1 plus 1, both are in series, 2 ohm ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This is 1 in parallel with 2 ಅಂದರೆ 2/3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 2/3 ohm, right? 2/3 ohm. So here what is 2 plus 2? 4. 4 plus of 2/3, 2/3 plus, we'll do one thing, 2 by, okay, 2 by 3 plus 4, right? That is equal to 3 to 12, 14 by 3 ohm ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, right? Okay. Between B and C, okay, 14 by 3 ohm. What about 1 ohm and 2 ohm? If they are in parallel, 2/3 ohm ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 14 by 3 ohm. They are in parallel. Now calculation, simple calculation. What is RBC will be equal to 14 by 3 into 2/3 divided by 14 by 3 plus 2/3. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ? 28. This will be how much? By 9, okay, into 3 by 16, 3, right? How much are you getting? 7 by 12. Sorry, 7 by 12. RBC is 7 by 12 ohm is the right. Hope you understood. It is very easy, okay? After taking PLS. We will go to the next problem. Again, what is asking? Calculate the resistance between A and C. A lidappa, A lide, C lide. Again draw what? Vertical line of symmetry. Okay? This is what? Vertical line of symmetry. Okay? This is junction point, this is the junction point. Okay? I am getting this junction point here. I can break this junction point. Okay? Along what? VLS. Okay? ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? This is R ಹಂಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay? This is O. ಇದು R ಹಂಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ. C. ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಹಿಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ. This and this. Okay? And this is R. And this is R, and this is R, this is R reality. Alvanappa, this is O, this is O. I am breaking the junction point. Along what? VLS, vertical line of symmetry. R and R is B there. Understood? And this is how much? R only. Right? Now you see, this is also R. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಇವಾಗ? R and R, 2R. Okay? 2R in parallel with 2R. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? R ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2R in parallel with 2R, R. R in parallel with R ಅಂದರೆ R by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now this is A. Okay, write on the points clearly. A and C. Okay. ಇದು R ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ O ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ R ಇದೆಪ್ಪ, C R ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು R ಹಂಗೆ ಇದೆ. This will be how much? 2R in parallel with 2R, R. R in parallel with R ಅಂದರೆ R by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ. ಇದೆಷ್ಟು? R. ಅಲ್ಲೋಣಪ್ಪ. Now, see here. This is what? 2R between A and C. Now, 2R in series with R by 2. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ? 2, 4R plus R, 5R by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 5R by 2 in parallel with 2R. In parallel with 2R. So RAC will be how much? RAC will be 5R by 2 into 2R divided by 5R by 2 plus 2R ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲೋಣಪ್ಪ, 10R square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ by 2 divided by 2, 5R plus 2 into 2 LCM ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ. Okay, so it will be 10R square by 9R ಅಂದರೆ 10R by 9 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 10R by 9 is the right answer. That is the equivalent resistance between A and C. ಓಕೆನಪ್ಪ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. Now what he is asking? He is asking the resistance between A. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ A? This is A. Okay, positive potential, negative potential. Draw what? Vertical line of symmetry. Okay, this is called VLS. Where is the junction point? We are getting only one junction point. Two. Now in the same way you split once again. This is R. ಇದು R ಇದೆಪ್ಪ, ಇದು R ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ R. This is R, right? This is point O and this is also point O. I am breaking the junction along vertical line of symmetry. This already explained you in part 1 of the video. Okay, this is P and this is A. This is R, 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 R. Now, what is the relation between A and B? R and R ಅಂದರೆ 2R. Okay, ಇದು R ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು and this one R. 2R in parallel with R. Okay, 2R in parallel with R. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ? 2R in parallel with R. 2 by 3R. Right? 2 by 3R. Now, what about this one? This is 2R. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇದು ಕೂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2R ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2R by 3 ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 6R plus 2R. 8R by 3. 8R by 3. Now 8R by 3 in parallel, RAB is how much? 8R by 3 in parallel with 2R. 8R by 3 in parallel with 2R. Okay, R1 R2 divided by R1 R2. Both are in parallel. Okay, ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಇದು? 16R square by 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ divided by 3. ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ? 6R ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? 16R square by 14R ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ 8, 7, right? 8R by 7 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 8R by 7 is the right answer. I think this much is enough on vertical line of symmetry. Okay, these are the problems that are very, very important. Concentrate on these kind of problems. Okay, so this is the topic, vertical line of symmetry in resistance circuit. Thank you one and all. If you like this video, kindly share it, okay, like it, and subscribe for my channel. and kindly ask doubts in the comment box. Thank you one and all.